They did a similar one with rats, where they took two groups of rats and they gave all the rats natural food, like, oh, we'll swap it around this time, right? So you guys are the happy rats, right, eating natural food. You guys are the scumbag rats, I'm just kidding, right? So you guys are the rats eating the man-made food. Right? What they noticed was, and rats are interesting because they share a lot of genes with humans, so they're an interesting thing to study. But what they found was the rats over here eating the natural food that they would normally eat in nature, they remained happy, playful, and they were socially affectionate. It's the term they used for their mentality. They noticed the rats were socially affectionate. There was no fighting, no arguing, nothing like that. They all got along. Right? There was no fighting amongst the rats. This bunch of rats over here, fed the Western diet, became, quote, vicious, snarling beasts, killing and hunting each other and stealing each other's food. Now, when you look at the study, if you didn't know it was about rats, you would think it would be about another species that we know called humans, right? Because these were killing each other just because of food, different food. Over here, nothing. And here's the amazing thing. They were going, wow, this is crazy, because it was so black and white. So all these rats fighting and unhappy, having all these emotional issues and anxiety and and all these rats over here happy, sleeping fine. These rats over here, they decided to, after a period of time, they took them out of this group and they gave them nothing but water. They fasted the rats and then put them over here on a normal diet. Within 30 days, they were socially affectionate and happy again. So you could see this categorical, happy biological organism give them a whole lot of shit junk food, right? Become vicious, snarling beasts. Same research has been done with soda pop all over the world. The more soda pop is drunk, the more the youth is unhappy, the more crime there is with the young. It's so clear to see when you look at groups all over the world, when you pick it apart. And then when they take the rats back and put them over here after water fasting, they get well and they're happy. And the interesting thing that stood out most in the research was the emotional terms they were using for how the rats were behaving. So happy rats versus unhappy rats, angry rats versus calm rats, that kind of thing. So it's even been done with animals as well to show the similar kind of thing.